Hello there, Judith Flores here. Today we're going to be talking about photosynthesis and cellular respiration. As you can see, there is a yellow blob up in the left hand corner, and there is a green blob more towards the middle, and there is an oval shaped orange blob in the right. And so, the yellow blob gives off something to the green blob, and the green blob gives off something to the orange blob, and the orange blob gives off something to the green blob. And so the orange blob also gives off something out of it. To reveal what the yellow blob is, it is called the sun. The arrow representing what it's giving off to the green blob is sunlight energy, and the green blob is called a chloroplast, and the orange blob is called the mitochondria. And what the mitochondrion is giving off is ATP energy. The chloroplast is doing a chemical reaction and also the mitochondrion. What the green blob is doing is called a process of photosynthesis, and the process that the mitochondrion is doing is a cellular respiration. The chloroplast contains chlorophyll, and green pigments. Also, food is being made by photosynthesis. Sugar is being made as well. And glucose, which means sugar, is also being made, which is what I previously talked about. What the chloroplast is giving off to the mitochondrion is a substance that adds with glucose and oxygen, and what the mitochondrion is giving off to the chloroplast is carbon dioxide and water. The molecules produced by photosynthesis are glucose and oxygen. And these are the substances that are left by the molecules produced by cellular respiration. The products of photosynthesis are glucose and oxygen, and the products of cellular respiration are carbon dioxide and water. Well, glucose and oxygen are the molecules needed for the process, and so are carbon dioxide and water, but except they're not needed for cellular respiration, but instead the process of photosynthesis. Glucose and oxygen are also the reactants for cellular respiration, and the reactants for photosynthesis are carbon dioxide and water. Carbon dioxide and water are being changed into glucose and oxygen here in the chloroplast. And in the mitochondrion, glucose and oxygen are being changed into carbon dioxide and water. The energy of sunlight is being used to create the potential chemical energy of glucose molecules in the chloroplast. And in the mitochondrion, the chemical energy is the chemical energy of glucose being converted into ATP energy. Also, in the chloroplast, existing molecules are changing into different molecules, and in the mitochondrion, existing molecules are changing into different molecules. Here in ATP energy, it's what's called or what's defined as the release of energy that is originated from the sun. what the sun is giving off is the energy that plants need, which the plant cells, which makes, well, what contains in the plant is the chloroplasts, which is the energy that plants need is energy of sunlight. Also, the energy of sunlight is the type of energy that animals need. And for conclusion, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned something from it.